These are the instructions for participating in the PA Young Readers Choice Award program. There are also written instructions that provide you essentially the same information. The first thing you'll need to do is join the Schoology group appropriate for your grade. You may have already done that. The next thing that you'll want to do is go on to Resources and go on to the Read This First green folder and check out the book list and book trailers folder. The book list is here. These 15 books are the books that you can choose among. You're required to read 3 of these. You can read any 3 that you choose. And to help you decide, you might want to take a look at the book trailers. They're in this video here. To get your hands on one of the books, you might go down to the Eagleview Library and check the PA Choice bookshelf. If the book you want isn't there, you can always put it on hold. You can check your classroom library and see if there's a book available there. You could go to the public library. You could check out Mac and Via. If you don't know how to use Mac and Via, you can ask at the library or ask your reading teacher. You could also try a Scholastic book order. Next, of course, you're going to read the book, and when you're finished with your first book, you're going to go to this purple folder and fill out your first book rating form. You need to do these in order, so it's pretty clear. When you finish your first book, you'll go to the first book rating form. And you'll click on this and click right here to get to the form. And I'm not going to go over the form in detail because it is pretty self-explanatory. And then when you finish your second book, you'll go to the second form. And then when you finish your third and final required book, you'll go to the third book form. So here's the third book form. We'll go here. When you finish your third book, you will have completed the reading requirements for the program, and you will be sent a link to the voting form. And at that point, you are eligible to vote for your favorite book. Now, if you finish your third book before January 27th, you won't receive the voting form until then because that is when voting opens. However, some people like to read more than the 3 required books. If that's you, then you'll want to go to this optional checklist for additional books before you vote. And you're going to want to wait. You're going to wait to vote until you finish reading all of the books that you plan to read for the program. And you're going to want to wait to fill out this form until you finish reading all of the books that you want to read for the program. So you'll use this form, and it's an optional form because only 3 books are required. But you'll use this form if you read anywhere from 4 to 15 books. So once you finish all your reading, you'll go to this checklist and you will check all of the additional books that you have read. So you won't include the first 3 books you've read. You'll just include any additional books that you've read. Books number 4 through 15. So you use this list if you've read 4 books or 5 books or 6 books, anywhere past 3. So then, when you're ready to vote, you can go ahead and vote as long as it is on or before March 20th. After you vote, you will get an invitation to our celebration during homeroom in May, where we'll find out which book won. And we'll be posting announcements and reminders on Schoology, but it is up to you to get on here and fill out your forms. And it's up to you to find the books that you need. If you have questions, do feel free to come and talk to us in the library or talk to one of your reading teachers. You can also, if you have additional questions, if you go here, there is an FAQ folder which has some questions that were frequently asked, and we may be adding to this as the year goes on. And we wish you good luck with the program.